What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Grammarly problems in MS Word. So first off, head over to Microsoft Word and in your Google or any browser, just simply type in MS Word and open Web Word. And then if you have not created an account on MS Word, just simply sign in and create your account. Or if you already have an account on WebWord, just simply log into your Web MS Word. After that, you will be welcome to this home page of MS Word. Just simply click on Create Blank Document. After clicking, you will be welcome to the blank presentation, or you can say blank document. Now here I have installed and activated Grammarly externally. So that is why it's showing its widget here. But if I want to just close Grammarly, I'll just simply click and just click on cross and it will go on. And when I double click here, Grammarly will appear again. So as you can see, Grammarly has appeared again when I double click. But if I want the Grammarly in my Word, just simply click on this add-ins option on your right side. Click it once and then here search for Grammarly, or you can even see it here. I will just simply type in first. So as you can see, here is Grammarly for Microsoft Word. I'll just simply click on add and it will add it on my Microsoft Word and I can just simply use it. Now I have added it for the first time, so that's why it's asking me to log in. And just simply click on continue. But if Grammarly is not appearing in your Microsoft Word or in your PC externally, just simply log out from MS Word and then log in again. So it will re-establish the connection between MS Word and Grammarly, and that will solve the problem. So that was all for this video. Thank you for watching.